I believe and trust that your weekend went well. Yeah. So for me, I bless God. Mine went well also. Yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to cook. So I wanted to take you guys along. Okay. I wanted to cook. Anyway, sorry, I forgot to tell that I'm outside. Okay. I am in outside balcony. Okay. Yeah. Pardon the noise. Yeah, I'm here to welcome you guys. So we are going inside to cook some meal. I'm going to make PufPuf. Yeah, Nigerian PufPuf. I'm also going to make um I bought unripe plantain. Sorry, unripe banana. Yeah, I bought unripe banana yesterday. So I feel like eating something like this. Okay. Before we go in, I wanted to say a very big thank you to all of you. Okay, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for always coming back to support my channel, to watch and to share, to like and to comment. Yeah, it takes a good heart to do so. Thank you so much for your kind heart. I so much appreciate. God bless you all abundantly. Amen. Say amen. Say amen. Thank you. Please keep supporting, keep supporting me. Okay, let's grow together. Let's be there for one another. If you haven't seen me in your channel, if I haven't, don't worry, I will become. It depend on, as in I will become. Sure. Of course I will support you. Okay. Yeah. So if you are just passing by, or if you are just a viewer, you are not yet and you are not yet subscribed, and you are not yet or ready to subscribe, please make sure you, whenever you come in, you click the like button. But make up your mind to subscribe. Okay. Click the like. Okay. Yeah, by your like, your one like goes a long way. Let's cannot take your love for granted. God bless you, bless you. Okay, I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing. I'm taking my time to yeah, the struggle is real, right? It's real. And yeah. All right, now, so let's go inside and start the cooking for today. I'm outside here. So you want, no, right now, I won't right. Anyway, I will not this very one that started ripe. It's ripe already. So I'm going to make only this four. Okay, that's the banana. It looks like plantain, but it's what these people banana, Sri Lanka banana. Yeah, this is from Sri Lanka. Let's see how I never eat this kind of plantain ripe one. I mean, sorry, pardon me. I never eat this kind of banana ripe. I mean, you guys, pardon. Let's see how. Like, I never eat this kind of banana ripe one. Yeah, I don't know how, but it's not soft. It's not bad. It's okay. It's not sweet, but the taste is okay. And also, it's not well ripe. My boss like this kind of banana. She like her banana to be a little bit hard. It's good. All right, now let's start the cooking. So I don't eat one already. And I also bought okra. This was 50, I think 55. Yeah, 55,000. Yeah, it's not up to $1. Okay, it's less than $1. Okay. Yeah. So, but this one I'm not going to cook today. Tomorrow I think tomorrow I will see. Okay, I'm going to use it to make little, like, some soup, Yeah. But if I can today, I'm going to cut it and keep it aside. Then tomorrow, by God's grace, I use it to make soup. I have some okra already in the fridge. Also, I have the one I've already in the freezer. Yeah, but I'm going to use this one to cook tomorrow. All right, let's just peel this and then we cook. Yeah, this see what I was saying. This banana and this very one are different. You see, this one look like plantain, but it's banana. You see this very one, so they are not alike. They are different kind of banana. Okay, yeah. So like I was saying, this is my first time eating this kind of banana ripe one. Okay, so I'm going to use my gloves. I'm going to use gloves because of the sticky. It will not touch my hand. But I'm supposed to start with the buns. I'm supposed to start with the buns so that the smell of fry will go out fast in the house. Okay, let me start with the PufPuf. Okay, and then later I'll do this. So in these buns, I'm going to make it in different way. I'm going to use this kind of pepper and also whatever pepper and also onions. I wish I have red onions. I normally love red onions or pink onions. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using. So here we have some milk. We have just 1 egg, and also we have here baking powder, yeast, and pinch of salt. So we also have some sugar. Okay, this is what anyway, so yeah, I have half cup of sugar. Okay, in here I have flour, so I'm going to shift and then we start. Okay, yeah, stay tuned. So our pepper and onions is finally chopped, so I'm going to go ahead and blend everything. So I'm adding the dry ingredient, which is his baking powder and salt and sugar. Okay, so I'm going to mix them very well. Okay, yeah, so adding the egg. Add the milk. Yeah, add the pepper. So mix. Yeah. If you can use hand if you want, but it's very okay to use the stick and also keep your hand neat. Yeah, this one mix one. Okay. I'm going to cover it. Cover it and keep aside for like 30 minutes and then we fry. We'll come back for fried. So we'll start by cooking the banana and then we'll come back for this for fried. So I have to keep it for some. So we're going to start. It's finally peeled. Yeah. So right there, our pot is already on the fire. We have here onions, finally cut or diced. Okay, we have here one pepper. I'm going to use only one pepper because it's very hot. Okay, and also some smoked fish. Yeah. We have normally, but I'm going to use only one inside. Okay, I'm going to divide. It's two inside, so I'm going to take only one. Yeah, if you are watched to this very moment, God bless you. Thank you so much. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. Give a very big thumbs up, like and share this very video. Okay, comment. Yeah, I just added my smoked fish. Okay, I use smoked fish to cook the unripe banana. You can also add crayfish if you have. Okay, but remember it's not many, just little, so this fish is enough because it's organic fish. Okay. All right guys, so this particular unripe banana, this time around I cook it in different way. Okay, just make sure you stay tuned and watch to the end and see how I make it, guys. It's super delicious. Thank you so very much, everyone. God bless you all. Yeah, as you can see, guys, it's done. Now I'm blending everything together. Yes, so I don't want to chew this very one. I just want to be licking it like ice cream. I want to be licking this very one, guys. Make this food for your little baby. Okay, it's super healthy. Okay, yeah, even though you don't like it yourself, just make it for your little baby. It's very healthy. All right, yeah. So look at me blending everything, guys. I think Jamaican, I saw Jamaican making this kind of food. Yeah, I think Jamaican, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, but it was plantain, unripe plantain. Guys, I cannot wait. I don't already dish one full cup. Look, it's very hot and I'm dragging with it. Yeah, Jamaican, I think they make it with sugar. They add sugar, they add milk. I think so, if I'm not mistaken. Please, if you are Jamaican and I make mistake, please forgive me. I try to remember which people that I saw making this food, but it was with plantain. Yeah. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. All right. So we just started to fry our pop-off. Remember our pop-off was beside us. So let's fry our pop-off, okay? And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Love you all.